káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, mọ́mí àwọn ti dáàdì ẹni tó ń wo TV, ẹni tó wo gbogbo yín tó ń wo Nollywood, ẹ jọ ẹ bọ́ta, ẹ jáde, ẹ wá wo Love and New Nose. Movie yín ó dùn bàjẹ́, ẹ ṣe gan, mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o, ẹ jọ ẹ dìbòrẹ́. What does dìbòrẹ́ mean?
I don't know.
My name is Kenneth Nwachukwu. We spoke over the phone.
Are these the new notes?
This job we really do. I think we need more guys.
You want us to go and rob a sick old woman?
This could be the break that we were looking for.
We have the premiere of Love and New Nose, Timini Egbuson's second executive producer, outfit.
Casting director as well.
Oh yes, that's another talent that I've discovered.
Yes.
I do it so well. It comes to me so naturally.
So Love and New Notes, it looks very different from Real Love.
Yes.
You know, I watched Real Love, and Real Love was more like mellow, emotional.
Yeah.
But this one, I'm seeing fight scenes. I'm seeing like some juju in there. What was the reasoning behind that?
I just wanted to do a hybrid story. There's a popular conception that everybody thinks that rom-coms have been done in every way possible. So I wanted to try and find a way to just merge everything together and give a unique experience to the Nigerian cinema audience. Cinema tickets are not cheap. People are coming out, to buy these tickets. I want to give them quality. So what we did with Real Love and with Love and New Nose is we created a hybrid story that has romance, horror, thriller, drama, and a little bit of comedy. No, not even a little bit of comedy. Kamo State is in it, so you know that it's not a little bit.
Pastor Lemi.
I want to learn about Kayode Kasum from your point of view. I mean, you worked with him on Afame Fona, a role that we will never forget. I'm sure I speak for everyone when I say that. You worked with him on Fractured. What kind of director is he?
Kayode is a fantastic director, and he's so down. I've said this before, I'll say it again. He's so down to earth, so humble. He's such a hard worker, and he's got such a beautiful eye. He knows, like, once he has a vision, he executes it completely. So yeah, I mean, he's just fantastic. He's great, and he's a great guy.
Been on the set for Love and New Notes. I know that you are a fighter. You have your own fight club, right? And I know that you had to do some fight scenes here. So how did that help you?
What's crazy is that when on Valentine's Day, I'm going to be running the Lagos Marathon. So I was training for the marathon while we were shooting. So every day I would run 5 kilometers. So I mean, I was in shape, and there are some stunts in this movie. Okay. It's not CGI, it's not AI.
So you did them yourself?
Yes, it's me. I'm Tom Cruise.
Okay. So are we saying that you're going to be more like action movies?
Let me tell you something. The Don is the Niger Van Damme. You guys better be ready for that. We're about to break action.
Okay. This is a movie about love and the sacrifices that people make, when it comes to relationships. In your present state, what is one thing you wish you knew about love, say 15 years ago, that you know now?
15 years ago, love is a lot of compromise. Love is a lot of forgiveness. Love is not enough. You need to back it up. It's not enough. You need to back it up with a lot of sacrifices, compromise, and forgiveness. Those are the things that I would teach my younger self if I was coming from the 80s.
In this film, there is love, there is money. I want to ask, because I know you're a wise man. Does money truly make love sweeter, or love that will be sweet, money or not?
Love that will be sweet, money or not. Okay. Yes, money is just an added advantage.
Sure. You are in money and you are in love. You have the best of both worlds, so it's easy for you to say.
No, but at first, if you come for love because of the money, there is every possibility that it's not going to last. But if it is love and the money comes afterwards, then there is possibility that it will last long. So it has to be love first. The love builds the affection, builds every other thing, and the money just sustain it to a reasonable extent.
If you could play any character in Love and New Notes, who would you have picked?
I would play... tricky. I would play Tade.
Who is that?
Kamo State.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's one crazy character y'all need to watch out for. Crazy. You guys are going to laugh.
Timini also said that's his new best friend. Yeah. So what was it like between them on set? Timini and Kamo?
It was, brotherly. It was all love. Okay. Kamo is a very chilled person, very fun person, absolutely fun person. Kamo is somebody y'all need to have in your corner. When you have Kamo State in your corner, It's absolute banger.
You seem very excited about Kamo. Say why?
He's my new best friend. You know, he's such a great guy.
Okay, bestie. Hi, bestie.
I want to say a big thank you to my cast. I see people complaining about their cast not pushing. Everybody that has been a part of this film has given their all. Eniola, Badmus, Sophie, Alakija, Toluwani, Kamo. Kamo is acting like an EP. Wait, Kamo, do you have shares in this film that I don't know about?
Maybe he does.
Maybe he does, but I appreciate you. Every producer, every executive producer wishes to have the kind of cast that I've had with Real Love. I love a new notes, and I just thank God. If only like the press people would be so nice.
Timini, stop now. I don't like this. Oh yeah, Timini, the last thing. What did playing Boma teach you about love that Timini did not know?
It taught me that love opens doors that you think, you know, are permanently locked. That's kind of like what it is about this film. Yes, 100%. And it taught me the power of forgiveness. You know, there's a lot of, in fact, you know what, I forgive you.